Hey guys, this is White Wave. For those of you who don't know how to mark key levels, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to mark key level, especially on gold. Okay. First, we need to first define what key level means. Key level is basically, let's say, major reversal area. That major demand and supply, the support and resistance, because we have different type of key levels. We have the psychological key levels, we have the Fibonacci key levels, we have the institutional key levels, we have trend line key levels, we have the previous highs and the previous lows key levels. So for this class, I go only the show you guys the demand and the supply key levels. Why? Because you are a trader. Um, what you are doing is buying and selling of currency. So with that trader mindset, I go only they show you the demand and the supply key level. Okay. So with no further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, we are currently in this trade already. You can see the entry and the way the what's it called, the trade is moving in our profit. So what I will do now at this particular zone now, is a key level, which is why the moment I identify it, you can see the way price tap into it and then started to buy from there. But let me remove all the drawing and then go straight go straight to the higher time frame, because if you want to mark key level, you need to start from the higher time frame. Okay. Especially when it comes to demand and supply, because that is where the real moves begin. So we go to, as a trader, if you want to start your analysis as a day trader, rather, you got start from the daily. Okay. From the daily. So looking at this chart now, if you are to mark the key level on this daily time frame, it has to be from here. And please, whenever you're marking your key level, make sure you're making use of the rectangular line, which is this particular line here. Make use of this. And if you want to mark it correctly, also make use of the line chart. Okay, it will give you the accurate zone to mark. Just like you can see it now. You can see it. I just put it like this. Makes sense, right? So this is the key level for the daily time frame. So now, why did I mark this zone? Because why? I am expecting price to come back to this zone from here and then be taking my buy for continuation. So there's no how price will not respect this particular key level if price should get there tomorrow. I'm not saying tomorrow, but in future, if price should get there, anytime price get to this particular key level here, we should expect a buy from there. Because why? It is very significant because it is happening on the daily time frame, a very strong one at that. So we should expect a buy from this particular zone. Okay. Now let's clear the zone again and still move down to 4 hours. Let's go identify 4 hours key level. Okay. Now, on the 4 hours, we want to identify 4 hour key level. Where is 4 hours key level? If you look at it, we can see that price created a demand from this zone. Okay, this is 4 hours key level, which means we should expect price to react from here to buy. Okay, now the bigger the time frame, the stronger the key level. Okay, it's most likely for price to violate this one. Okay, but we cannot say the same thing for the daily time frame. She understand now, because the daily time frame is more stronger than the 4 hours time frame, and the 4 hours time frame is more stronger than the 1 hour time frame. Now let's take out all the drawing and go to 1 hour. You see that where we are marking is different. Like here now, if you look at the price, 4121. Okay, 4121 on the 4 hours. But if you go to 1 hour now, you will see different key levels to mark. Okay, Look at where we mark, but look at where we took our entry on the 1 hour. We took our entry from here. Can you see now? So this is the key level for the 1 hour. Okay, which means it's most likely for price to still violate this one, the test here, and still continue to push to the downside. It's most likely. But if price should get to the 4 hours key level, it's more stronger. So this is most likely to hold, okay, for continuation. And it's still possible for price to still hold from here for continuation. We are not the market maker. We just work with data. Okay. So that is basically how to mark key level on gold using higher time frame. And I will see you guys in the next one.